Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this vibration plate that this brand sent to me for this video. I tried it last night. We both, me and my wife, actually tried it last night. And I gotta say that this is for different scenarios and different people, different situations. I'm gonna show you how it works to you in a few seconds. But this one, I tried it. I like it, but I was better in kind of like the middle ground because this one comes with about 200 different resistance levels. And my wife was really good at the high intensity. I don't know why, but she was really good at the high intensity. I couldn't take it, but not because this one is bad, because that was a personal thing. I prefer to kind of like do some more jogging instead of like a quick running or something like that. By the way, this one supports 450 pounds. It also comes with something that I was really happy to see, a remote controller, because not all of this one comes with a remote controller, and two resistant bands that you can see, that kind of like use at the same time that you are doing either the walking or the jogging or the running. With the running, is going to be a little bit complicated, and I'll show you why in a few seconds. But first, this one right here, you need to use it with your socks, because this one comes with 6 plates in each one of the sides. It kind of like, I want to say like they're kind of like steel balls. They're inside. They're gonna make some kind of massage to your feet while you're doing the exercise. So that is really good. Use it with your socks. Let's actually jump on a demo right now. So one thing to mention is that it comes with suction cups. So that is really good if you have tile or wooden floor or like this glass platform that I have over here. It's not gonna work that well if you have carpet. I mean, it's gonna work well, but not with the suction cup. So make sure that you understand that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit right here this button, which is gonna turn it on. So now it's on. Remember that this one also comes with a speaker, so you can hook it up to your phone, and it comes with a speaker that you can also play music at the same time. So that is really cool. What we're gonna do right now is gonna hit play. We're gonna set up the speed. So you have a timer, you have the intensity, and you have the walking on the inside, kind of like right here, which we're gonna do the walking right now, and we're gonna hit play. So this is gonna be the walking. As you're gonna see, it's not super hard. So you can kind of like do some biceps in the middle, you can do some chest, you can do some shoulders, you can do some traps, things like that while you're exercising your legs with the walking. But now I'm gonna drop this once because, and you can hear kind of like my voice, I want to go to jogging. And remember, you have the volume right here for the speaker, you have the timer, you have the speed control, everything. But with just a click of a button, you can kind of like switch positions. And now we're going to go to a jogging, which is this one right here. And now is when you gotta kind of like put yourself like this, because if not, you're gonna be shaking all the time like this. So kind of like do this in the squat position, and that is gonna make you the best exercise. So right now, this one is in 10 minutes. We passed the walking, we passed that we're in the kind of like the jogging right now. Remember, don't stand like this, but do this instead. And now we're gonna slowly go to the running. We're gonna sit on those kind of like steel balls, and we're gonna go with the running. Oh, this is gonna be hard. This is, oh my God, this is awesome. I gotta say that this is a really good exercise. And it's how much you can actually tolerate. You don't have to be the 10 minutes, but check this out. You can stand, this is too much. So you gotta go kind of like this on a squat position. And then you can just hit stop whenever you want, and it goes down like slowly, keeps going down and down and down. So you can kind of like slow your pace, and you're all set. Whew, this is awesome. This platform right here is gonna be for sure your new home exercise.